Ophelia, you want a snack? Snacks? Want a snack? Oh, you want a snack? Come here.
Want a snack?
Yeah, you want a snack? Come here.
Want a pistache?
I have a pistache. Come here. Step up. Want a pistache? Step down. Step down. Step down. Good bird. I wonder what's in the cup.
Want a snack?
Come get a snack. Ophelia, you want a snack? Step up. Good bird. Step down. Step down. Come on, step down. So your sister's standing on it. Step down. There you go. Step down. There you go.
Oh, it's water.
Ophelia, come here. Come here. Good bird. There's a snack. Step down. Step down. Oh. Ophelia, come here. Step up. Good bird. Oh. Here's your snack. Step down. No. What about over here? Step down. There you go. You want another snack? Alright, Soleil. Step up. Good bird. Want a snack? Step down. Want a snack? Step down. There you go. Good bird. Come here. Oh, good bird. Here, I'll put you on the floor. Step up. Want to come get the pistache? Oh my goodness, you're such a baby. Yeah, come get it.
Yeah, maybe let me try.
Put him on the couch.
God.
You guys want snacks?
God, we're just
Step
gonna
up.
be on the couch. Can you touch? Can you touch? Go ahead,
Step down.
touch Apollo. There's pistachio in there. There you go. So you got the cup. Oh,
Step up.
Oh, look at that, Apollo.
Good bird.
There's pistachio in the cup. Well, one of you couch goers can get that. How are you gonna get it out of there? Yeah, your head don't fit. Your head's too big. Oh. Your head is too big. Oh. Yeah, see? Oh, you almost got it. Oh, there it is! There you go, Apollo. Spooky.
Come here. Ophelia, or Soleil, come here. Come on, you do it. Come here. Oh, good bird. Step down.
Ophelia, what are you doing?
Step down.
Come here.
You can do it. Here, step down.
Ooh,
What?
come here.
Soleil, or Ophelia, you want a snack?
Wee, wee.
Ophelia, snack.
Oh, there she comes.
Good bird. Can you step down? Can you step down? You get a snack? Can you step down? Step down. No. Touch my finger. Good bird. Apollo, you're getting left out.
What's that, Soleil? Maybe we'll just keep the cup. Oh. A blue paper box. What's that made of? What's that made of?
Glue.
No! What's that made of?
Paper.
That's right, this is a paper box. You wanna touch? I know, the girls are literally...
Arabella, what color?
Red.
No, he said red. Oh, you dropped it. What about this? Touch. Oh, good touch.
You just want to chew on the grapes. You dropped it.